In this scenario, we will restore a deleted folder and document from the recycle bin to the document library. Start the steps in the relevant project in the uPerform Management Center. Click Open menu. Click Recycle bin. Deleted content for a project will remain in the recycle bin until an administrator chooses to manually empty it by selecting the Empty Recycle Bin menu above, or selectively restores some of the deleted content to the document library. Click Open menu. Click Restore Deleted Items. Click to select the folder to restore. Click to select the document to restore. Click the Restore Items button, which will include a count of the number of folders and documents being restored. The deleted folder, its content and the deleted document have all been restored to their original document library location. Content restored from the recycle bin includes all the content version history and comment/feedback history. However, any learning library locations will need to be reassigned, and the content will need to be published again before it will be available to end users. Had uPerform not been able to determine the prior document library location of the restored content, it can be found in the Restored Items folder and then moved to its preferred location.